If you're using a VPN on your iPhone and want to turn it off or remove it completely, here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If your VPN is currently active, you'll usually see a VPN toggle near the top of the settings page. To quickly turn it off, just tap that toggle. Once it's switched off, your VPN connection will be disconnected immediately. Now, if you want to completely remove a VPN so it doesn't reconnect automatically, there are a few extra steps. Go back into Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. From here, tap on VPN and Device Management. Next, tap on VPN. This will show you a list of all VPN configurations installed on your device. Find the VPN you want to remove, then tap the small eye icon next to it. On the next screen, tap Delete VPN, then confirm by tapping Delete again. That VPN will now be completely removed from your iPhone. If you have multiple VPNs installed, you can repeat the same steps for each one. And that's it. You've successfully turned off or removed a VPN on your iPhone.